a canceled ticket, and a drunk passenger's refusal to leave transformed this Dallas-Fort Worth airport dispute into a custodial arrest.
I have a court case tomorrow and I can't get on my flight because he's saying I don't have a good attitude. Like, bitch, are you dumb? This is a carry-on bag. I know, I've flown a million times. I've been to Africa, I've been to Europe, I've been all over the fucking country.
Listen to the next thing I say. Be quiet and listen to the next thing I say very carefully.
Be quiet?
Listen to the next thing I say very carefully.
The airline's refusal is authorized by Title 49 United States Code, Section 44902, subsection B. Federal courts grant carriers sweeping discretion.
Why can't I get on my flight? Please tell me.
Are you gonna let me answer?
Yeah.
I told you once already.
What did I do?
I'm gonna tell you one more time.
Tell me, please.
They said you wouldn't check your bag.
This is a carry-on, sir. It's a carry-on. This is a carry-on bag. When I tried to check it, you guys were like, you can't check your fucking bag. You're a fucking bitch.
Can you escort her out of this airport? She doesn't have a ticket here, and she's not going to be captured.
What did I do? Sir, I'm sorry. As a black man to a white woman, what did I do wrong? Please tell me. Please tell me what I did wrong.
Okay, that's fine.
Please tell me what I did wrong. Did I touch somebody? Did I talk shit?
So she's denied?
Why can't I get on my flight?
And you still talk shit. Stop it.
Originally, it started because she wouldn't check back, and then it turned into obscenity.
I didn't need to. I have a carry-on.
Talking. You're talking too loud.
No, ma'am. This is my carry-on.
You can go.
Dude, I have a carry-on. This is my carry-on.
Okay.
Why can't I get on my flight? Why can't I get on my flight? Please tell me.
Do you think yelling is gonna help?
Dude, no. But this guy's telling me I can't get on my flight. I have a court case tomorrow and I can't get on my flight because he's saying I don't have a good attitude. Like, bitch, I need to get to my court case tomorrow.
Okay. How much have you had to drink?
I had 2 glasses of wine, dude.
What, at a bar here? Or
No,
on the plane
I had 1 glass of wine. I need to get on my flight.
Okay. So you're not making that flight? Where'd you have the wine at, you say? Was it on the flight here or at a bar here?
I need to get on my flight.
You're not making that flight.
Why?
Because they just canceled your ticket. You don't have a ticket anymore.
What did I do?
Whatever they said. They said you wouldn't check your bag, and then you were rude with them.
This is a carry-on.
Okay, but you do know when the space is limited, they can have you check it.
So I have a court case tomorrow.
None of that matters. Let's go this way.
So what do you want me to do? Because this is
you're gonna have to fly with someone else.
What do you mean with someone else?
Another airline.
We're going to show you how to get to another terminal.
I didn't do anything, dude.
I see you did.
I didn't do anything, dude. I didn't do anything. I have a court case tomorrow in LA.
Okay, well, we're going to show you how to get there. Come on.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, I believe you.
I didn't. People in TSA are I grew up here. They're awful. People in LA are better. Like, literally, the TSA in LA, they're like, I didn't do anything, dude. Check my bag. Check my bag.
I don't need to check your bag. Let's go. Starting destination?
Huh?
Was this your starting destination, or did you fly here?
I'm from Missouri.
So you flew from Missouri to Dallas, and you were connecting through here?
Yes.
Okay.
Dude, and they gave me shit there, and they gave me shit here. And I didn't do anything. There's something, like, I didn't do anything. I need to get on that flight, man.
You're not getting on that flight.
Okay, so what do I do? I have to get on that flight. I have a flight tomorrow.
Okay, let's walk this way.
It's important, man.
I understand.
I have to get there.
I don't need to search your bag. Let's go this way, and I'm gonna show you where else you can go.
I didn't do anything. What? So you look at somebody the wrong way and they're like, "Oh, you can't get on this flight. You're a stupid bitch." Like, what the f*** is TSA in Springfield? Hate it here.
Where y'all going?
It's Spanish.
One second. You can't go this way. You have to go back that way. So,
I'm sorry, but the flight attendants on my last flight literally took my side because the TSA in Missouri is horrible. I remember a year ago they flashed my makeup bag because they were just like, what did I do? Why can't I make my flight?
Okay.
I was on time. I have my ticket. Nothing's in my bag. Why can't I make my flight? That's your fault.
Listen
I'm
to
not
me.
disrupting any passenger. What did I do?
Listen to me.
What did I do that I can't get on my flight?
I'm trying to talk to you.
Why can't I get on my flight? Please tell me.
Are you gonna let me answer?
Yeah.
I told you once already.
What did I do?
I'm gonna tell you one more time.
Tell me, please.
They said you wouldn't check your bag.
This is a carry-on, sir. It's a carry-on. This is a carry-on bag. Are you dumb? This is a carry-on bag. I know. I've flown 1,000,000 times. I've been to Africa. I've been to Europe. I've been all over the fucking country. This is a carry-on. Okay? And this is my purse. Okay?
You just wanted to know why they wouldn't let you on, right?
Yeah.
I'm reiterating what the manager said. So you fly so much, you do know sometimes you can have to check your bag at the gate.
Do you want me to check it?
It's too late now.
When I tried to check it, you guys are like, you can't check your fucking bag. You're a fucking bitch.
I didn't say anything.
Please tell me why I can't get on the fucking flight, dude. Tell me why I
told you.
can't. I have court tomorrow at 2 p.m.
So
Please.
So let's get you to another terminal so you can get there.
Please. It's important. I'm not dumb, okay? I'm not a stupid bitch. I'm not on drugs, and I'm not drunk. I need to get on the flight.
That's debatable. Listen to the next thing I say. Be quiet and listen to the next thing I say very carefully.
Be quiet.
Listen to the next thing I say very carefully. You are intoxicated. You just told me you were. Your behavior.
I had one
be
glass
quiet.
of wine. Go ask the TSA.
Your
I had one
behavior
glass of wine.
is demonstrating that you're intoxicated. You're being erratic. You are very upset for whatever reason.
Because
Listen.
you guys tried to do this on my last flight, my first
I didn't try to
flight.
do anything. This is my first time seeing you.
Why can't I have a carry-on bag? That's
Okay.
my carry-on
Do you-
bag.
Right now. Do you know where you're at?
I'm at the Springfield Airport. Or sorry, Dallas Airport. I'm at the Dallas.
Put your hand behind your back.
Under arrest. Do not fight.
Dallas.
Listen,
I'm at
do
the
not
Dallas.
Listen.
Fight. Listen to me.
You are under arrest, all right?
Fight.
I'm at the Dallas.
Do not.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait.
Relax.
All right.
Relax before you get charged with resisting, all right?
No.
are
You're
Stop.
under
You're
arrest
going to jail.
for public intoxication, all right?
Still can't get it. All right, I got it. Let me.
Wait.
You're gone.
I
David
didn't.
3, showing
I didn't do
custody for PI.
Wait, I didn't do anything. Why
You're
am I under
for public
arrest?
intoxication,
For
all right?
what?
Public intoxication.
What did I do? Can you please stop being please walk forward. Stop.
Relax.
You guys are hurting me.
Stop. No, we're not. Stop.
Relax.
You understand me?
You're hurting me.
Hey,
You're
relax.
hurting me.
Just walk. Relax.
You're hurting me.
I tried to explain the situation to you multiple times.
You're hurting
Hey.
me.
Relax.
You're hurting
You want
me.
another charge?
You're
Do not
hurting
kick
me.
me.
You're hurting me.
Thank you. Let's go.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Please stop. Please stop. Please. No, sir, please. It's actually hurting me.
David 3, can we get
Please stop!
Upper
Stop!
level, David 20.
Stop! Stop, you're hurting me.
You're going to jail tonight.
I am.
Yes, you're very intoxicated.
I tried talking to you reasonably, but you didn't want to hear nothing I was saying.
Get your hands off me.
Hey,
Get your hands off me!
listen.
Stop kicking.
Stop touching me! Stop touching me!
If you kick
Yo, I dare you to touch me
Stop
one more
kicking.
time.
You're gonna be
You're
charged
pulling
with
my
assault
hair.
on a piece of. I don't have your hair. I have your arm.
I don't have your hair.
You guys are touching me. Get the of me. I'm not doing
Sit
anything.
down.
Relax.
I didn't do anything.
You're under arrest.
What did I do, sir? I'm sorry. What did I do? Stop touching me.
David 3, do we have a transporting route?
Please tell me what I did. What did I do?
You are under arrest for public
What did I
intoxication.
do? For what? Wait,
Public
for trying to
intoxication.
get on my flight and y'all's, like, what did I do? Please tell me what I did wrong. Tell me, on record, what did I do? What did I do? Camera, what did I do wrong? Trying to get on my flight and my bag is too big. It's not actually because I got on my first flight, so that's a lie. Dude, get your hands off me.
Listen.
Get your hands off me!
Listen, if you,
I didn't do anything
if
to
you
either of
actually
you.
kick me, you are going to be
No,
charged with assault on a peace
bro,
officer.
get your hands off me.
Listen, relax.
I didn't do anything to you. Get your hands off me! I didn't do anything. You guys are crazy. Literally, my bag is not too big for that. Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Cause guess what? The measurements match
Sit
up.
down.
Yo, cause they got on my first flight. You guys are dumb, bro. You guys are stupid.
Relax. Hey,
Kicking.
I'm gonna sue the
Stop kicking.
dumbass bitch.
The arrest itself rests on Texas Penal Code, Section 49.0-2. Public intoxication requires two elements: presence in a public place while intoxicated, and a level of intoxication creating foreseeable danger. Under Graham versus Connor, force must be objectively reasonable. Escort holds and handcuffing are proportionate to the resistance shown. Once arrest is announced, Texas Penal Code Section 38.0-3 prohibits physical resistance, even against an invalid arrest. The remedy is a motion to suppress, not a struggle on the terminal floor. Kicking motions elevate exposure to Texas Penal Code Section 22.0-1, subsection B, paragraph 1. Assault on a public servant is a third-degree felony, carrying 2 to 10 years of imprisonment.
Don't touch me. What is wrong with you? Get off me!
How far off is our train?
Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
David,
Dude, get off me!
extremely combative.
What did I do to you? Please tell me. Show my baggage. Show my baggage on camera because I know you have a body camera. Show my baggage. That's my baggage is literally a carry-on. So show my baggage because it's legal because I've traveled
Move!
15 times. You guys are
Move!
fucking crazy. Hey! What did
You
I
want to try to
do?
search her?
What?
Spread your feet.
For what? What did I?
Your phone. Let go of the phone.
For what?
Let go of the phone.
What? Why?
Let go of the phone.
For what?
Hey, relax.
Oh, she's got anything on her.
I know.
doesn't
I
have any
don't. I
pockets or
didn't do
anything.
anything. You guys are
Let's get her in the
arresting
car.
me for no reason. I need my stuff.
Yeah, you
stuff?
getting your stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
Thanks, man. Yeah, well,
Please, can you get my stuff?
you guys are good.
It's right here. Man! Gotta find another flight, but
Camera's not working.
yours?
I grabbed tapes while I was downloading that domestic,
Ah, yeah.
and just have to note a little bit that my camera's. I'll take a little bit.
I'm trying to find her ID. I never got it. Because I wasn't going to arrest her, bro.
Once she said she was restrained.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah. Once I was trying to give her a chance to calm down, but yeah, she wouldn't. I was gonna take her anyway, so that's what I say. That's why I say I'll do it, yeah.
Downloaded.
So, can you tell me why I got arrested? No.
Step out.
Before
Don't you dare kick me. Just step out of
I'm
the car.
not kicking
Come
you,
on.
sir. Why are you grabbing me?
Come on.
So why did I get arrested? What?
Stand up and walk.
What? Why did I get arrested? Tell me why I got arrested.
Intoxication. Walk that way.
Can I have my shoe, please?
No, you can't have a shoe.
Please? Can I have my shoe, please? Can I please have my shoe? Can I please have my
It'll be
shoe?
booked into
Please
your property.
have my
You'll be booked into your property.
Can I have my shoe, please? Why am I being arrested? Please, ma'am, please tell me what I did to get arrested. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do wrong? You guys are just fucking bored. What did I do to get arrested? Please tell me. Can I have my shoe? Can I have my bag? Yes, yeah, I can. Can you spread your fingers for me? Yeah, I can. I didn't do anything.
Speak up. What should I do?
Dude, I had a flight and I missed it. Can you tell them to let my arms down, please? Let my arms down. Let my arms down. Let my arms down. I will stand still if they let my arms down.
They're holding you up, actually.
Holding me up for what? I can stand on my own 2 feet. I'm not intoxicated. Please let my arms
You've
down.
been outside of the country in the last 10 days.
No, please let my arms down. I didn't do anything, dude.
Sick.
Stop touching.
Jewelry on you. You need to take that jewelry off and set it on the counter also, okay?
I think you guys have eyes and I don't have any jewelry on me. I think you guys are smart enough to see
Okay,
that.
I'm just trying to
I
work
don't
with
have
you,
any
okay?
jewelry on me and I miss my flight.
Bring
So,
your, no,
that's just fucking dumb.
You need to stand still before you get it again, okay?
I didn't do anything.
I'm
I
trying
didn't do anything.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. The officers receive a B+ for de-escalation and proportionate force. The passenger receives an F. Every choice she made compounded her exposure. 5 practical lessons emerge. First, airline gate agents hold broad federal authority, arguing only escalates the problem. Second, admitting to drinking while behaving erratically in a terminal satisfies the Texas public intoxication standard. Third, once arrest begins, the legal contest moves to the courtroom, not the terminal floor. Fourth, resistance or kicking transforms a fine-only misdemeanor into a felony carrying years of prison. Fifth, personal emergencies carry no weight in the probable cause analysis. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.